Hello everyone, good afternoon. Guys, if you've never making your lunch or eating anything this afternoon, don't just worry. We have this food in stock for you. Guess what we are cooking? What are we making this afternoon? Guys, stay tuned to watch from the beginning to the end. Learn and be say just start from the beginning. When can't skip any part, now when you go achieve and learn something. Guys, quick one. Wetin we dey garnish, guys? We are making vegetable sauce. Wetin I mean be say carrots, broccoli, green bean, all these ogbonga stuff now. Vegetable cannot be lettuce, all those ones are in category of vegetable. Guys, I no wan break you down with as in a lot of talk. Make you just dive into wetin we dey cook now. We have many things to cook like spaghetti. We don prepare all our ingredients, come set aside. We go cook them one after. I know they cook my food now one after another. I dey gather everything together as long as the burner is more than one. Guys, quick one. Some people will say, how you manage adding potato for that spaghetti? It can happen like that if you never try them before. Guys, abeg make you try them. They say seeing is believing. Now when you try them, you go compare and contrast. No, whether e good or e no good, but trust me, I don do am before, notice say e good well. So try it. Guys, we just also boil our meat, which is chicken. Wetin I carry boil my meat be say na thyme, curry powder, maggi, salt. I no carry many ogbonga things put there. So the thing done, we can't set am aside. Wetin I wan do now be say make I dive into making my sauce now, the process. So carry oil, cover your pan now. Come carry your onions, pepper, come chook am. Carry the sliced carrot and all these incredible green bean and the broccoli need to come last because this is the softest vegetable here so far. So the next thing we put here, we added here, is our curry powder, thyme, maggi and salt. Guys, if you have other spices and other seasoning, just go ahead to add them, but this is the list of my spices and the seasoning I could add. Guys, okay, stir very well, cooked it like a minute or 60 seconds, then add your broccoli. After adding broccoli, just add your cooked meat immediately because broccoli doesn't waste time to be soft. So add everything together, add water, the quantities of water that it can contain. Guys, cook your stuff, don't cook to stupor because what you are making is vegetable, so just cook it minor. Yes, you can go ahead to add salt in your potato and combination of potato and spaghetti for it to taste good. Okay guys, the last thing we are adding on our sauce now is cornstarch. Melt your cornstarch with water, mix it thoroughly and add. Guys, vegetable sauce use comes watering, so now you go make am thick. So wetin you go take make am thick be say you go just melt this cornstarch, come add them on top. Guys, I think our food is ready. Guys, let me know what you think about combination of spaghetti and the potato. Guys, have you cooked such thing before? Let me know in the comment section, guys, because some people will like asking now, how did you combine these two together? Guys, trust me, when you do that, you know why. You know why I combine the two together, guys. It really come out tasting good, guys. Try it. Please, if you've never followed me, kindly do that and turn on your notification, so whenever I upload a video, you'll be among the first to be notified. Guys, let me know what you think about this video. Have you made such thing before? If yes, let me know in the comment section. If no, you are inspired to try this recipe. Guys, it's time to serve. Kindly bring your fork and your spoon. Keep waiting till you reach your turn, guys. I think this really look nice and yummy. Yeah, so let's go ahead to eat our food. So yeah, serve your food to look attractive. As they say, the eyes go feature before the mouth. Yeah, even if you know contest like as you want them, at least as in arrange your food very well, put it to be presentable like this, so that when person look hey, go say yes, this go make sense, so make I test them. So it's good like that, guys. Let me know the kind of food you really want me preparing and putting up or out here, because it's you I'm making all this food for. Don't just keep quiet for me. As in, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which kind of food do you really want me making? Which kind of food is you people's favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, enjoy with us and thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye and have a blessed weekend.